Despite having enormous benefits, there are some facts associated with investing in a Gold IRA that will make you think that it's not a good investment. Stay with us till the very end as we will present some facts that will help you understand better. Just a heads up, these rules and regulations may change over time, so the information in this video may not be 100% accurate. 1. No additional income. Investing in gold means securing your actual income, as gold bullions do not pay interest, dividends, profits, and other additional returns. You cannot take any further advantage of tax-free growth in your assets. All you will get will be the profit on the capital investment when you sell the gold or the metal you have invested in. 2. High fees and storage restrictions. When purchased, it is strictly prohibited to keep gold at home. You have to hire a trustee from a company to take care of all the matters, as an expert is needed to deal with all of the rules and regulations. A depository is also required to keep the purchased gold. All the steps like buying, shipping, and transport hold some charges. Hence, these gold IRAs tend to have some extra management charges compared to regular IRA accounts. Moreover, some annual charges are also included that you have to pay for your account. 3. Funding restrictions. For gold IRAs, you are not allowed to move the metal you already own, and you cannot buy the new assets by yourself. All these transactions will be carried out on your behalf by your custodian. He will do all the paperwork and keep you updated about every piece of information related to your account. 4. The tax on liquefying metals. If you have invested in gold, you do not take regular withdrawals, as it will cause you to pay tax before the age of 59.5. It will cause a deduction to your assets. Even if you do not liquefy metals at that age, some speculation will hit the account when you reach the age of 72. These accounts are meant to be left alone until retirement. Otherwise, you will face potential losses. So it is only for the investors who have to keep large funds safe from economic instabilities. 5. Relying only on a gold IRA. Financial experts always recommend keeping only a 5 to 10% portfolio in the form of precious metals, as it has some associated risks. All other stocks are affected during recessions or economic turmoil, while gold shows the opposite behavior. Gold IRAs provide a hedge against inflation, and they diversify your portfolio. But if you'd like to learn more, you can get a free Gold IRA kit by visiting the website shown in this video or in the description. This kit contains valuable information for starting a new account, adding assets to it, and picking a custodian, instructions on how to buy gold and other precious metals, store them, and withdraw money from the account could also be included in the kit. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to stay connected. And if you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Take care.